I can narrate my story when I start with you, Abdullah, you as a student and I as a teacher. Okay, I spent a lot of time in teaching you, so I found you that you are a kind one. You are a very patient one, but sometimes I found you has a strict character in your work. This is also a kind one from you, and this is also a merit from you. So, Abdullah, don't hesitate in your decision. Don't hesitate. When you take your decision, be strict in your decision. Don't put everything in one basket, as I said before to you. Okay, you work and study, so you have a double wage upon. What does it mean? It does studying and working at the same time. So it needs a lot of time from you and a lot of efforts from you to do all of these things. Abdullah. Okay, so my advice for you, Abdullah, okay, when you pass your exam, your last exam, the first term for you, okay, be patient in everything. Study more and more, and you will find that Allah gives the blessing for you. Why? Because you did your best. That Allah said that everyone did his best in everything, Allah will give him everything he wants. Don't be despair. Don't be despair. Okay, be sure that Allah will help you in everything. Second time, you will find a lot of subjects, the second term and the third term. Okay, don't be worried about all of these subjects. Only read and read and read. When you find difficulties from the first reading, no problem about that. You can read more and more and more. And this point, you will find the first reading is difficult, no problem. The second reading is easier, okay. The third reading is more easier, okay. So you will find everything in your life easy. How? Step by step. Every time put in your mind that you will succeed not suddenly but by step. This is our success in our life. Okay, so when you want to reach to the top, how to reach the top? All of you ask Allah to reach the top, but it needs from us work. No one can do anything without working. When you sleep, you waste a lot of time. But when you work, you don't waste time. When you sleep, you will not do anything. When you work, you will do everything. So my advice for you, Abdullah, don't waste your time. Don't sleep more. Don't be lazy. Don't go out more. Only when you find a lot of time you have, okay, you will make a timetable for you. Okay, do something which amuse you, but not every time. You will amuse yourself. Only sometimes you should amuse yourself by this short time. But remember that you wanted to work more and more. So why? Because you wanted to succeed in your life. How? You wanted to be the manager one day. How to be a manager one day? You will sleep and in the morning you will find yourself that you are the manager? No, it needs a lot of work. It needs a lot of time in working. It needs, okay, money. Don't be worried about your money. Be sure that when you pay money, in the case of your studies, be sure that you will benefit more and more and more, instead of paying your money in a laptop or in a mobile phone or in a car or in money paid in studying is the best thing you do. Money paid in studying is the best thing you did. Okay, not in things. The things that you buy or the things that you bought after 1 month or after 2 months or after 1 year, you will buy it as old. But the knowledge, but the scientific theories you put in your mind will not die. Even if you die, even if you die. So you accept knowledge, you accept scientific theories in your mind. Your mind, you feed your mind, you don't feed your stomach. Okay, so the best thing is feeding your mind, not your stomach. This my advice for you, and I wish you good life, Abdullah, in your life. I wish the second term you have good marks, you have excellent marks. Okay, and after 2 years or 3 years, I don't know how many years you will study in your course this. Okay, I will find you a great manager. Okay, I will find you a great one. You have a great position in your work. And this point, I feel that as a teacher, I succeed in my life. Thanks a lot for you, Abdullah.